Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because I got a new haircut. And I also got some new parts for my PC. GeForce RTX 2060 Super. Bought this new because I've been told that buying it used or secondhand is quite sketchy. On the other hand, bought the EVGA 750 G3 secondhand from Facebook Marketplace because just got it for real cheap. I couldn't resist. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. EVGA, right? Not EVGA. As some of you probably know already, I don't know anything about computers. I've literally just been told that I need at least an RTX 2060 GPU wise because the stock PC Alienware that I've bought quite recently, I didn't bother upgrading the GPU at all. So many people and all my friends have turned their back against me since I've done that, and people have been on me so hard because I did not upgrade the GPU. So there we go. Finally, I'm gonna upgrade it. I have no idea how I'm gonna open it up and what wire goes where, but we'll figure it out as we go along. And when we say we, I mean me, myself, and I. Been told that I need at least a 600 or 550 watt power supply. I think mine is currently the 450 watts, and that's not going to be enough apparently. So I just thought might as well go for the 750 G3, and been told that this one fits perfectly with the Alienware. Not sure how well it's going to do with the Aurora R9 because there's no review videos or upgrade videos on the Aurora R9 yet. Let's get to it. Let's start unboxing this. Yep. Could have paid off my student loan this month, but what more sensible way to spend money than upgrading your GPU? Right. Feels like I just opened up a very expensive birthday cake. But okay. Now I understand why so many people drool over buying a new GPU, because this looks beautiful. And this is where I drop it on the floor and it will become the most watched video of this month. Right? There we go. That looks beautiful. It's got like a mirror plating up in the front. The back says RTX 2060 Super. NVIDIA. GeForce RTX on the side. Gonna take off this protective shield. Okay, so this is what everyone's been talking about. This is literally like a mirror panel at the front. Yeah, the guy at the store and everyone who I've talked to, they were like, oh man, the mirror plating is what makes this an NVIDIA graphics card. I'm like, I feel like I want to connect this like to myself almost, like Iron Man. I feel like I'm gonna get like superpowers if I do and just become more powerful. Like it's something that I want to upgrade myself on. Probably something that would be equivalent to that would be exercising, but not interested in that. Here we have what appears to be some cables and the manuals. Inspired by gamers, built by NVIDIA, it says. Open this up and there's going to be some Cartier necklace inside or something. That's what it looks like anyway. Support guide. Quick start guide. It says quick start guide, but this does not look like it's going to be a quick start at all. I mean, look at this page. Are you serious? Well, now let's assemble this and the power supply. Well, let's try it anyway, shall we? Okay. First gonna install the power supply. Is it gonna even fit? It looks a little bit big, which is kind of worrying me a little bit right now. If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be so mad. I've been told to remove these 4 screws here. Also these slider panels, apparently. Okay, got these out. And they should hopefully slide out easily. I don't even know what these cables are for, honestly. Extremely confused right now. Okay, I finally pulled out this stupid brown and black cable, whatever that means. Just gonna pull it out now, hopefully. Okay. Just pulled out my older 450 watt power supply. I haven't even installed anything yet and I'm already tired and hungry. Cables. That's 1. Cables. That's 2. So many cables. This is the power cable and that's pretty much all I know. I don't know what these are for, so you can do this. I'm assuming the fan goes outside of the slot, so okay, thankfully this slides in nicely. I'm gonna start connecting the cable first, I suppose. MB, CPU1, VGA, SATA1, VGA2, PRIF1. Now there better be names written on each cable, otherwise I might lose my mind. Okay, so I just plugged in everything, hopefully. Chunky looking thing, whatever this is called. CPU cable and whatever this is. I just remember this goes here, right? Right, guys? Okay. Now what? Can I just close it now, or? There's a lot of leftover cables. I thought I was supposed to use all of them, but I guess not. This does not look right for some reason. Just trying to make this as neat as possible. Okay, so I just forgot to connect this cable, which is the VGA cable for my graphics card, I'm assuming. By the way, the only reason I even know the VGA cable is because I have a YouTube tutorial video playing in the background and I am texting 3 of my friends right now on what the hell am I supposed to do. So I am assuming this goes in here like that. So let's do this. Gotta take out my old GPU out first. I don't even know what brand this is, but GPU installation. Right, so does this just come off? Okay, this just comes off. Not even sure what brand that is, but there we go, that's out. Gotta put this in now. But I'm assuming I need 2 slots available, so I need to pull this slot out here. Fairly simple. There we go. I hope I don't have to like plug in anything else. I hope I haven't missed anything regarding cables and stuff. I think it is. Let's try and close this. Okay, I've realized I have to plug the VGA cable into the GPU first. Like that. And then put it in. Now let's close this up. I mean, that should be it. So that should work. Now let's test this out and see if it works. Okay, the moment of truth. Got my HDMI, got my power cable plugged in. This is either gonna work smoothly or my whole PC is going to be fried and everything will blow up. I'm actually a little bit nervous. The light's on, but is anything showing up? The light on the GPU is on. That's actually very cool. I didn't even know the GPU lit up like that in green. That's incredible. Don't see a signal, which is a little concerning. Does this switch do anything if I turn it on? Oh, that just turned off the whole thing. Okay, I am stupid. Let's try that again. Thing is, I'm not seeing anything on the screen, which is a little concerning. All right, so after about 1 hour of going through what the hell's going on, it's finally working. So basically I had to reinstall my old GPU and then install the NVIDIA GeForce driver, because I didn't have that, because this is not an NVIDIA. So I had to install the driver, and then I had to reinstall the GPU, reinstall the new GPU, and now something is happening. PC did not start correctly. Well, let's restart that and fix this so I can please, so I can play Stardew Valley and Minecraft with my new GeForce RTX 2060 Super. That's pretty much why I upgraded my PC, a new power supply and the GPU. So hopefully it works, everything works fine now, because at least I can see the Alienware logo and I can actually see something on my screen. So, okay, after about an extra 2 hours searching everywhere on YouTube, Reddit, Google, you name it, calling friends, people who I only met once in my lifetime, how the hell do I do this? And I basically had to install the GeForce Experience. There was an error code and there was like a wrong package that I opened up, so I had to reinstall some stuff, delete a bunch of stuff, the whole bit. What a circus. That's what you get when you don't buy an Xbox and start upgrading a PC that you have no idea about. Anyway, I think everything is all fine and good now. GeForce Experience is running fine. I got my Call of Duty Modern Warfare activation code. It was like a bundle with my purchase of the RTX 2060 Super GPU. So there we go. I'm gonna play some games. Hopefully no errors will occur from this point, and I'll finally be able to play some games with higher graphics and enjoy my life. Thanks for watching. Peace out.